because today's COVID report has our fourth highest ever total for positive new coronavirus cases, 1,312. Yesterday, we had the highest Monday ever. This is the highest Tuesday ever, and it's the highest by 258 cases. It's not even close. 144 of those individuals are 18 years or younger. So again, showing the level that this is hitting even our younger Kentuckians. Hospitalization continues to go up. Today, 776. ICU continues to go up. It's 202 today. That's up from 190 yesterday. So that is 12 more Kentuckians fighting for their lives. Currently on a ventilator, 96. That's up from 89 yesterday. And our positivity rate for the first time, our positivity rate is now back over 5% at 5.08%. That is the highest since August 25th. So we are seeing virtually all of our numbers escalating at the same time, which tells us it's real. And it tells us that it could surge in the way that is requiring us to make preparations as a state and should require all of us as citizens to double down on our efforts. Let's not wait until this gets worse than it is right now, because in a minute, I'm going to read you information on 16 Kentuckians that we have lost due to COVID-19 that we're announcing today. First, new cases by county. Jefferson getting hit really hard lately, 324 new cases. We're thinking about you, Jefferson County. We know everything that the community has been going through, and this is just one more challenge that I know that we're up for doing the right thing and making sure that we protect one another. Fayette County, 47. Laurel County, 45. I think that is a daily record for Laurel County. Boone County, 36. Nelson County, 36. Christian and Pike, 35. Kenton, 29. Bullitt, 28. 27 for Scott and Warren. 22 for Madison. 19 for Davis. 19 for Fleming. 18 for Barron and Hardin. 17 for Bell. 15 for Allen, Henderson, and Wayne. 14 for Johnson, Martin, Whitley. 12 for Floyd, Hopkins, and Perry. 11 for Franklin, Jessamine, and McGoffin. 10 for Campbell, Clay, Clinton, Knox, McLean, and Todd. And all the rest can be found on the website. So it's everywhere, folks. In fact, and I'll show you the White House's analysis here in a minute about where different counties are. This is from the report that they sent to us. 70% of all counties in Kentucky have moderate or high levels of community transition. That is significant. I mean, 70% of us. That means that are in a real troubling place. Today is one of those days that I dread, and that I know we all in Kentucky dread based on the significant loss of life, 16 additional Kentuckians. They include a 97-year-old woman from Fayette, a 67-year-old woman from Jefferson, a 94-year-old man from Jessamine, a 56-year-old woman from Bell, a 92-year-old woman from a 92-year-old woman from Jessamine, and a 96-year-old male from Jessamine, an 82-year-old woman from Hopkins, and a 74-year-old woman from Jefferson, an 89-year-old man from Marshall, 73-year-old man from Boyd, 76-year-old woman, and an 80-year-old woman, both from Jefferson, 78-year-old man from Eulenburg, 86-year-old woman from Davis, 96-year-old woman from Fayette, 64-year-old woman from Jessamine. Eastern Kentucky, Western Kentucky, Central Kentucky. We're losing people everywhere. Let's make sure that we light our homes up green. Last couple weeks, really the last couple months, there's been a lot of loss. And let's make sure that we're working just as hard for these families as we were for the families early on. They deserve that from us.